Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how we can add friend in Zynga Poker. First up, open your Zynga Poker app, and then here tap on the friend icon at the bottom right hand corner beside the message icon. So once you tap on your friend icon, you will find your buddies. Here you will find your active poker buddies or friends here on this application. So here you'll find if your friends is active, online, or you'll find all the list of your friends right from here. Now, if you're going to add your friends, basically just tap on the referral button. So you can see play with friends, you can refer or redeem. So you can refer and get 100,000 free chips when you refer a friend to play Zynga Poker. So you just have to tap on share button and you can basically share to any of your social media accounts on Messenger, WhatsApp, or any accounts right there. Or you can basically copy the referral code and you can manually send it to your friends. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.